If the propeller blades is engine damaged or deformed before takeoff, replace them ASAP. Install the front and backside wheel. Remove the propeller, rotate and pull out politely the propeller. Rotate the motor. Separate propellers from motor. Take the new propeller and install it if you cannot recognize the front and back. Fault. Observe the sign or touch raise the text. Compare the direction of propellers. From the installation, put from side turned up, align holes with the motor shaft. Press until the bottom is reached. Installation done. Upper cover shell. If broken, change it ASAP. If changed, use a PH0 cross screwdriver. Remove the fixing screws left and right. Use the edge 1.5 hexagonal screwdriver. Remove the screws. The original cushion could be removed. Installing a new one. Align the hole with the shock absorber. Put the cushion and fix the screws. Align the mounting holes, tighten the screws, and the installation done.